Hand creams inspired by perfume scents? Let's try them out. So this is the antibacterial perfume hand creams by Lux Fragrances. And this is the packaging. Super pretty niya and super cute ng colors. So they have 3 fragrances. Ito yung Love Luna, Blushing Bouquet, and Dreamy Bliss. So first kong ito-try is itong Love Luna. So try natin siya sa kamay ko. Ooh, ang bango niya. So ayan. So, habang ina-apply ko siya sa kamay ko, alam mo na talagang non-sticky siya and, ayan o, non-greasy. Ang bango niya, like kahit hindi mo ilapit sa nose mo, maaamoy mo na kagad. So, this hand cream is formulated with vitamin E and ceramides. Kaya after ko siyang in-apply, super soft and na-hydrate niya talaga yung skin ko. Kaya if you're looking for hand creams inspired by perfume scents, try nyo na itong antibacterial perfume hand creams by Lux Fragrances. And mabibili nyo to for only 99 pesos.